How well do you think you know Asia? That's the question we're asking today as we embark on a journey across this vast and vibrant continent. A place where tradition meets innovation, where the ancient and the modern coexist harmoniously. Asia, the largest continent on our planet, is a treasure trove of cultures, languages, and landscapes, each more diverse and fascinating than the last. Now imagine this: if Asia were a party, it would be the one where every guest brings a dish from their homeland and you end up with a smorgasbord of flavors that's as varied as it is delicious. But it's not just about food. Asia has a rich tapestry of stories to tell, and today we're going to share 10 of them with you. We've lined up a countdown of 10 things you probably didn't know about Asia. Intrigued? Good. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of Asia, shall we? Starting with number 10. Did you know that Asia is home to both the highest and lowest points on Earth? Let's take a journey from the heavens to the depths, shall we? Mount Everest, standing at an awe-inspiring height of over 29,000 feet, is known as the roof of the world. Its majestic peak pierces the sky, challenging every adventurer with its chilling winds and perilous paths. On the other end of the scale, we have the Dead Sea, the basement of the world, if you will. Nestled between Jordan and Israel, it's over 1,300 feet below sea level. Despite its ominous name, the Dead Sea is a marvel in its own right. Its extremely high salt concentration makes swimming feel more like floating, a truly unique experience. From the sky-touching peaks to the below sea level plains, Asia is full of geographical extremes. So, next time you're planning an adventurous getaway, you know where to look. Coming to number 9, can you guess how many languages are spoken in Asia? Now hold on to your hats, because the answer is a whopper. Asia, with its vast expanse and diverse cultures, is a cauldron of linguistic variety. We're talking about an astounding 6,000 plus languages. And here's a fun fact for you: the tiny country of Papua New Guinea alone is home to over 800 languages. That's right, 800. It's like going to a buffet and not knowing where to start because there's just so much on offer. From the melodic cadence of Mandarin in China, to the rhythmic lilt of Hindi in India, the rich resonance of Arabic in the Middle East, and the unique tones of the hundreds of languages in Papua New Guinea, each language adds a unique flavor to this linguistic stew. So, if you're a language enthusiast, Asia is your paradise. Number 8 might surprise you. Despite popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space. You might be wondering why? Well, let's debunk this myth together. The Great Wall, while indeed grand and extensive, is simply too thin to be seen from the vast expanse of space. It's like trying to see a single hair from 2 miles away. Furthermore, the materials used in the construction of the wall are also similar in color to the natural surroundings, making it even more challenging for it to stand out. Now, astronauts aboard the International Space Station, hovering about 250 miles above Earth with high-resolution lenses, have managed to capture the Great Wall. But with the naked eye, it's a no-show. So the next time someone tells you that the Great Wall is visible from space, you know what to say. For number 7, did you know that Asia is home to more than 60% of the world's population? That's right, if you gathered everyone on Earth into one place, almost 2 out of every 3 people would be from Asia. And the most densely populated areas? Well, they happen to be in China and India, the 2 most populous countries in the world. China, with its vast landscapes and bustling cities, is home to over 1 billion people. And India is not far behind, with a population that's rapidly catching up. These 2 countries alone account for more than 1/3 of the world's population. But it's not just about the numbers. What's truly fascinating is the diversity and the vibrant cultures that these populations foster. From the busy street markets of Mumbai to the serene Great Wall of China, Asia is teeming with life and culture. It's fair to say Asia is the heart of human civilization. At number 6, Asia's diverse wildlife is nothing less than a wonder. This vast continent is home to an array of species, some of which you won't find anywhere else in the world. Take the Komodo dragon, for instance. This giant lizard, found only in Indonesia, is the largest living species of lizard and a testament to Asia's unique biodiversity. Then there's the Asian elephant, smaller than its African cousin, yet equally majestic. Found across the continent from India to Indonesia, these gentle giants are integral to Asia's ecosystems and cultural landscapes. Asia's wildlife is not just about the big and famous, though. Thousands of lesser-known yet equally fascinating species inhabit its dense jungles, expansive deserts, and towering mountain ranges. From the elusive snow leopard in the Himalayas to the vibrant bird of paradise in Papua New Guinea, there's always a new creature to discover. From jungles to deserts, Asia is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Halfway through at number 5, Asia is the birthplace of many inventions that shaped the world. It's fascinating to think about how different our lives would be without these innovations. Can you imagine a world without paper? It's hard to picture, isn't it? Yet it was in Asia, specifically in China, where this versatile material was first created. Moving on, let's talk about navigation. The compass, a tool that has guided explorers and adventurers for centuries, also has its roots in Asia. It's simply amazing how a small magnetic needle can change the course of history, isn't it? And let's not forget about gunpowder. This explosive invention too began in Asia. While it was initially used for medicinal and mystical purposes, it later became the backbone of warfare and has significantly influenced world history. Without Asia, our world would indeed look different. At number 4, Asia's varied and delicious cuisine is a feast for the senses. Imagine the vibrant tapestry of flavors, colors, and aromas that make up this astonishing culinary landscape. From the fiery curries of India, laden with spices that dance on your tongue, to the fresh and delicate sushi of Japan, crafted with skill and precision, each dish tells a story of its own. Venture further and you'll encounter the fragrant stir-fries of China, the hearty barbecue of Korea, and the tangy street foods of Thailand. In Vietnam, the humble pho soup embodies simplicity yet bursts with flavor, while in the Middle East, the rich and aromatic stews are a testament to the region's love for hearty meals. Let's not forget the sweet treats. India's gulab jamun, Japan's mochi, and China's mooncakes are just a few examples of the sugary delights waiting to be discovered. It's a culinary journey that's as diverse as the continent itself. Asia surely knows how to tantalize your taste buds. At number 3, Asia is home to some of the oldest civilizations in the world. This vast and diverse continent has been a cradle of human history, nurturing ancient societies that have left an indelible mark on our collective past. Let's take a trip back in time to the fertile plains of the Indus Valley. Flourishing around 5,000 years ago, this sophisticated civilization had an advanced urban culture, with well-planned cities, impressive architecture, and a writing system still mysterious to us today. Then we journeyed to Mesopotamia, known as the land between two rivers. This cradle of civilization gave us some of the first written laws, the concept of the 60-minute hour, and even the humble wheel. These ancient societies and countless others across Asia contributed significantly to the tapestry of human history. Their inventions, ideas, and cultures continue to shape our world today. Asia is indeed a cradle of civilization. Coming close to end at number 2, Asia is the birthplace of many of the world's major religions. Let's embark on a spiritual journey through time and space. The Indian subcontinent is home to one of the oldest religions, Hinduism, a rich tapestry of beliefs, traditions, and practices, dating back over 4,000 years. Buddhism, a path of spiritual development leading to insight into the true nature of reality, also originated in India, under the Bodhi tree. Christianity and Islam, two of the world's most widely practiced religions, found their roots in the Middle East. Sikhism, a monotheistic religion emphasizing a moral and ethical life, was born in Punjab, India. Each religion, unique and distinct, has left an indelible mark on Asia's cultural, social, and historical landscape, shaping it into a rich mosaic of belief systems. In terms of spirituality, Asia has a lot to offer. Finally, at number 1, Asia's rapid urbanization is a testament to its progress. In a blink of an eye, the landscapes of this continent have transformed. Cities have sprung up like mushrooms after a heavy rain, each one a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Take Dubai, for instance. It has morphed from a sleepy fishing village into a glittering oasis of skyscrapers in less than half a century. Then there's Shanghai, a city that's always on the move, growing vertically and horizontally, never seeming to sleep. Not to mention Singapore, a small island nation that's become a global powerhouse, its skyline a dazzling array of architectural marvels. This rapid urbanization has not been without its challenges, of course, balancing growth with sustainability, tradition with modernity. These are questions that Asia grapples with every day. But one thing is certain, Asia is not standing still. From ancient civilizations to modern metropolises, Asia is a continent of contrasts. So, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Asia. From the towering heights of the Himalayas to the vast, bustling cities, Asia truly is a continent of surprises. We've explored the language diversity that puts the Tower of Babel to shame and dispelled the myth about the Great Wall of China's visibility from space. We've marveled at the staggering population numbers and the abundance of wildlife that call Asia home. We've delved into the land of inventions where creativity and innovation reign supreme and savored the varied and delicious cuisine, a reflection of the cultural richness. We've journeyed back in time to the oldest civilization and explored the diversity of religions that have influenced and shaped societies. And we've witnessed the rapid urbanization that's transforming the landscape of this vibrant continent. Next time you think about Asia, remember that there's more than meets the eye. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe for more facts. See you next time. Bye.